Another banger video.
What up, chat?
What up,
Today we are going to beach hop. And what beach are we going to first?
1,000 steps.
1,000 steps. Also, this is my cousin Jesse.
We just got.
Say what up to the chat.
What up?
What up, chat?
What up, chat? We just got 1,000 more steps to go.
Literally, we just drove 1,000 fucking miles trying to find parking, but we did it, guys.
It's okay.
We did it. It'll be worth it.
Let's go. Steep hill street though.
Chat. Okay, so we are on a mission to go to like the tide pools. I've personally never been there, and I've lived here for a long time. And he wants to go, so that's our mission right now. It's exactly what we're doing. No, I want to go. Yeah, I want to go. I've never been. Also, that house. Which one? There's a house that we just walked down by. I think it was that one. That blue one. That's so pretty. It was so nice. Is that like a roller coaster to come down? What the fuck? Look, Jesse. Do they literally? Is it like the fucking Minecraft ones, the little trains? Dude, if it is, that's so vibes. That's actually like, guys, I want to be OC rich one day. All right, chat. We made it, and we're like all at the end, but the rocks are closed due to high tide. So we're just gonna wait it out. We have literally all day, so hopefully at one point like we're able to go. But I do see one pool already. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I should have warned you about that. I am extremely sorry. If you need to go to therapy, I will pay for it. Guys, do we look alike?
Maybe.
Maybe.
It would be like,
yeah, but like she's like the good like looking
like,
version, and like he's like the top version.
No, I was gonna say that. Like,
no, yeah, exactly. No, you, I'm older. Exactly.
That doesn't matter. Well, I'm younger, exactly. So I look more young.
Respect the elders. Guys, this is my little umbrella that I bring to the beach because like I don't be carrying those big ones. This is my little umbrella. And like then like watch, let me show you, okay? So like if I want to lay out in the sun, right? Watch. I'm gonna pull her like this. Like that. Right? And then
Trying to lay out.
I lay down and the sun does not bug my face.
But mine too.
But like low-key, guys, I need to look into an umbrella that's UV, that has like UV protection. I don't know if they're all like that or not, but I need that. Yeah, guys, I'll keep updating you. We have hella food. We made steak sandwiches this morning. Oh dude, those are about a slab. We put bell peppers, the green and the red, onion, mushrooms, QP mayo, some like garlic butter like on the bread. Dude, santo ahorita, but I'm low-key full from this morning. Then we also have like watermelon, grapes, we have an apple. And then we have some cheese. Simple little things, but I think that's gonna be enough to fill us up for like the entire day, honestly. But yeah, I'll catch you guys soon. We got blessed with the parking, not gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We really did. But we're going to, yeah, we're we're going to Table Rock, guys. We didn't end up like exploring more of the pools because we weren't able to. Tide was way too high, could not go. But we chilled. It's like 4 something right now. I go to Table Rock, chill, eat some uvas, and chill. Yeah, we stepped back a little bit, guys, because we knew that tide was coming in strong. Look at that, guys. Let's see if I can catch anybody get washed out. Good. Oh! Dang, guys. Yeah, I'm okay right here. Jesse's gonna get washed out, guys. Let's watch him. Go, go. I said, Jesse's gonna get washed out. Go, go, go. Yeah. Oh, okay, guys. Lifeguard on duty. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Ah! Dude, guys, these waves are getting insane.
What was the sandwich? Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Oh. We came to our last beach for sunset.
For sunset.
For sunset.